Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to silence notifications from contacts in sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then after that, in the sleep focus, click people under the notifications. And after that, in the notifications, you will see that the silence notifications from is disabled, and all you have to do is just click it to enable until there's a check mark on the side. And it is now enabled. When silence notification is enabled, when sleep focus is on, notifications from selected people will be silenced and sent to notification center. And that's it. We have successfully silenced notifications from contacts in sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.